planet is a beautiful and complex place. From its deep blue oceans and the life within, to its diverse land masses full of flora and fauna. Then there are our cities, as diverse as our lands, full of bustling people of all cultures, working diligently to make lives better for themselves and their families. But as diverse and complex as our world is, all its living inhabitants are related to at least one thing: anyons. Anyons are commonly known as negative ions. A negative ion is an atom or molecule that has gained one or more extra negatively charged electrons. A positive ion is an atom that has lost one or more electrons due to a high energy impact. Positive ions are harmful to the human body, while negative ions are beneficial. Positive ions have been found to constrict blood vessels, increase blood pressure, increase blood acidity, weaken bones, and much more. Negative ions may have just the opposite effect. In our modern environment, like shopping malls and offices, there are more positive ions than negative, and this is depressing our body's systems. We must strike a balance by enhancing our bodies with more negative ions, or anyons. Welcome to Winalite International. Winalite specializes in developing, manufacturing, and marketing innovative healthcare products. Its marquee product, Love Moon Anion Sanitary Pads. Designed for ultimate comfort and protection, Love Moon Anion Sanitary Pads feature anion, or negative ion tape. This tape is embedded in each pad. Anions may help to reduce odor, reduce stress, strengthen immunity, enhance metabolism, combat fatigue, and enhance hormonal balance.
I don't feel so stressed out anymore. I enjoy every day as it comes.
I used to feel a lot more emotional, a lot more up and down, but now since the product I feel a lot calmer and more balanced.
Love Moon Anion sanitary napkins with negative ion technology not only promotes better overall health, they are far ahead of the competition in comfort and absorbency. Now this is very important because choosing the right sanitary pad can be the key to enjoying a healthier and happier day-to-day life. During menstruation, a woman's sensitive skin is the most vulnerable. Surveys have shown that 73% of women feel itchiness and pain during menstruation. This is mostly caused by the use of sanitary napkins, which are not air permeable. Sanitary napkins are normally made up of 3 layers: surface layer, absorbent layer, and underlying layer. Your choice of sanitary napkins should be based on the materials and functions of these layers. First, the surface layer should have a comfortable net surface with rapid absorption capabilities to avoid wet skin. Next, the middle layer should have effective absorption agents that can turn the absorbed liquid discharge into a jelly-like state so that it would not backflow when pressed and would not cause the sticky feeling. Finally, the underlying layer should be made of air-permeable materials. It's important to reduce moisture so that you have a dry and refreshed feeling. Love Moon Anion sanitary pads meet these concerns and more. With 7 layers of healthcare technology-based protection, Love Moon Anion sanitary napkins have set a new standard. Layer 1 offers a soft and comfortable surface with absorption which is twice as strong as other leading brands. Layer 2 features the nationally patented anionic tape. Layers 3 and 5 have soft dust-free paper after strict sterilization is used for 360-degree wrapping of the absorbent agent. Layer 4 has colorless absorbent agents. Layer 6 is a base film, which is permeable to air but not water. Layer 7 is the adhesive base that is commonly used for food products, so it's natural and safe for your body. Love Moon pads are twice as absorbent as most of the competition, and their unique base film may help keep the skin less irritated and dry. Now you can feel fresh, confident, and ready to take on the world.
It made me more confident, more outgoing. I really want to just get out and enjoy life.
I can do anything I want now. I can go to the pool, I can go dancing, anything I want. I can wear anything I want. It's so much better than the other products.
Although Love Moon Anion sanitary pads have been available for years, with millions of devotees in Asia and now around the world, this technology is new to the United States. A new technology, a new vision for your comfort and health. Winilite is constantly researching and developing new anion-based products that can help people of all ages live healthier, happier, and more productive lives. Contact the person who cared enough about you to share this message. Learn more about Love Moon Anion sanitary pads, Anion technology, and other Winilite products. Then join the team whose mission is to make the world a better place. With Winilite, technology creates love.